It's breakfast time and we're whipping up the ultimate Cajun style breakfast. A spicy andouille sausage omelet, thick cut brioche French toast, and crispy Parmesan Jalapeño Bacon. This is a next level breakfast that will have you skipping brunch and cooking at home instead. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste.
Alright guys, let's meet our all-star lineup that will bring this Cajun breakfast to life. First up, we've got eggs. To spice our bacon, we're using garlic powder, oregano, freshly grated Parmesan, a little olive oil, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, bacon, andouille sausage, bringing that Cajun spice, nutmeg and cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, as well as milk. We'll also need butter, and for that extra spice we're using jalapenos, and finally the star of the show, those thick brioche slices. Full recipe will be posted below. Alright, and we're kicking things off by getting our bacon nicely prepped. When we speak about fancy bacon, guys, oh my goodness, this is taking bacon to the next level. We're adding garlic powder, oregano, freshly grated Parmesan, and that kick of jalapeno slice. Oh my goodness. Now what we have done here is just to slightly brush these bacon with a little olive oil so that our topping can stick, okay? Not heavy, just a little lightly to create that, that little sticky surface. All right, and there we are, adding the jalapenos, and by the time you know it, oh yeah, it's gonna be time to put these in the oven. And we're putting them on a rack because we're trying to prevent from flipping, so the air will circulate nicely and crisp these up perfectly. Up next, we're getting our Cajun sausage ready, and we're searing them off to make them nice and ready for our omelet filling, guys. And look at that. Oh my goodness, smelling so good. All right, and just like that, guess what time it is? It's that time now to prepare our soaking mixture for the ultimate French toast, I tell you. All right, now to kick this up with flavor, we're adding some nutmeg. Now the combination of the nutmeg and the cinnamon, oh my gosh, not to mention the milk and vanilla. When I tell you match made in heaven, All right, so we're whisking these together. Up next, we are going in with 2 eggs, and we'll also whip to ensure that we combine all these ingredients together to create that beautiful soaking liquid for our French toast. Now we're getting the griddle ready, guys, and we're dipping the bread slices, not for too long because you don't want them to be soggy. You just want them to be nice, moist, and perfect, right? Now if your bread is too fresh, what you can do is, that you're gonna make your French toast, you can just leave them out to the open air for them to dry out a little before you actually use them for the French toast. And oh yeah, we're flipping them, keeping them warm on that griddle, and by the time you know it, these bacon were ready. Look at that, guys. When I tell you fancy bacon, gourmet bacon, delicious bacon, bacon to the next level, clocking all of these. Now everything is coming together nicely, and it's now time to get that omelet sizzling, okay? So season and whip your eggs. We have gone in with some butter, and by the time you know it, oh yeah, we have added the eggs. Now at this stage, you want to give it a quick scramble, but not for too long. As soon as it starts forming, you leave it alone, okay? Because we don't want scrambled eggs. What we want is a light and fluffy texture. So we have added the filling to one side, the andouille sausage, the cheddar, and the mozzarella, the perfect combination for this omelet. And look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Deserve a chef kiss, doesn't it? Smelling so good, just allowing it to toast up a bit, and it's time to bring everything together. Now beside our fluffy Cajun andouille sausage omelet, we're adding the French toast, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, as well as that crispy Parmesan Jalapeño Bacon. That will give us that beautiful crunch and a little kick, okay? And of course, we'll top this off with some fresh berries and a drizzle of powdered sugar and a little maple syrup. Look at this beautiful plate. This is comfort food with a gourmet twist. It's time to dig in, right? Let's eat. If you're loving this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a delicious episode. And drop a comment below, what's your favorite go-to breakfast combo? Thanks for cooking with me today. Love y'all and enjoy.